slow it down and respect these people real quick, because this is a walking trail. Oh, there's another four-wheeler. What's going on YouTube? As you can see, it's your boy Bubba and we're back with another YouTube video. And today we've got the 2017 CRF 250R, and shout out to my boy Cody for letting me ride it. As you can see, he broke his clutch cable. He's pretty new to bike life, so he ain't too good at doing maintenance. So I'm gonna throw this clutch cable on and go put in some work for y'all. I might have to take the front fender or front number plate. It's gonna have to come off. It's gonna be two 8mm bolts. Pop it off, reroute this cable out. Gonna come down here. It's gonna be a 12mm nut. You break it loose, back it off. Oh, it's a matter of it's already loose, which gives us enough to pop this off here, just like so. Okay, this might be faster than I thought, guys. Back this nut off, just like so. Now, honestly, pops off like that. Next step is popping off this number plate. One 8mm bolt's really giving me hell because I do not have an extension. Number plate is off. Emmett, son, come on out there. Now this is when the magic starts. Fish it all the way through this dang frame. Out.
I'm gonna go take it.
Just like so. As y'all see, this is the old one. Out with the old, in with the new. So same thing, just rinse and repeat. We're gonna unscrew this here. This one goes first somehow, some way. Yeah. Then this one. Engaged. Clutch is back in business, baby. New clutch cable installed. YouTube, man. I've been trying to stack in a little bread and trying to get a good bike to produce good videos with. So shout out to my boy Coco, man. And if y'all don't know, he is new to bike life, and he here recently broke his leg on this exact here bike. is a walking trail. Oh, there's another four-wheeler. Wow, this thing feeling too good. Man, I ain't rode it in a while. My forearm's already burning. It's been like at least 3 years since I've owned a big bike. Last bike I had was an 85. Y'all seen it. It was a $100 dirt bike. And if y'all are wondering what happened to the $100 dirt bike, I sold it, man. It was a good bike for the budget. It was good for the content. But I ran out of ideas with it. And I had too good of an offer to not take it. Little knee knocker. Drop it back. Yes, sir. Sit down. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. One hand. Oh! And I ain't been posting videos, man, because I got the opportunity to ride my friends' bikes and do the maintenance on them and work on them or whatever. I got the chance, but I've been just stacking bread and trying to get up there to where I can get us a good bike so I can get constant videos, you know. That little $100 dirt bike, as y'all seen in my last video, it blew up on me, so it was like, I bought it thinking I was gonna want to repair it and stuff. I did. I got it running. I rode it, but it was more of like a money pit. So I'm gonna sit back for probably a few more weeks or maybe a month or two, and I'm gonna go get us a good bike so I can constantly put out videos and not have to worry about it being a money pit and more of an investment than a money pit. Yes, sir. This is the end of the road. Oh, we gotta go this way. See how much further they... See how much further they've made it on the walking trail. There's a deer feeder. Oh no, my shoelace is stuck. Man, I'm so far from the house, all on this one trail. It's kind of crazy. Like, what road is this? I don't know where I'm at. This is crazy to think I made it this far. Hold on, I'm still too hyped about that combo. Let's slow it down and read it. Yes, sir, I did it. Redo it one more time. So confused. let me turn around. I'm in Police Nation. I know it's gonna be a boring ride back because it's the same exact scenery, but I'm gonna try to make it interesting. No hander. Oh, slow it down. Slow it down, slow it down. You telling me I can go all the way from my house now, all the way to really my buddy's house that creates content. I'll put his Instagram and his YouTube in them right here on the screen. Bugs are keep hitting me in my face so bad. Dang, those some big old dogs. And another deer feeder. I wonder how good of a pond that is for like a brim fishing, or hey, it might even have a good sized bass in it. That's a little fish feeder or something right there. Or a powered. Let's go look. Let's go be nosy. God, look. Oh my God. Look at the koi fish in the pond. Holy cow, this is a stock pond. That's crazy how much money's in this pond. Oh. Whoa, that was scary, y'all. That was scary. Y'all seen me go back for that back brake so fast? And the golf course up. Do a little bit of trail riding. Hopefully not getting too much trouble out here. Man, this would be like a fire go-kart. Womp, womp, womp. Race go-karts around this place. Be like, vroom, vroom. Man, I'd end up in that pond trying to race a go-kart around this place. Let's go check out the new neighborhood. It's crazy, y'all. This all used to be, like you see the sand? All used to be a sand dune. Wow, they already have stuff built out here. Oh my God. Wow, that's so nice. That's a nice little spot right there. I don't like being that close to my neighbor if I live there, but dang, that's a nice little spot. Gear, safe and sound. Thank you, Lord, for an amazing ride. And thank all y'all for watching. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe.